Genesis continues its tradition of unveiling future-forward concepts at the New York Auto Show, and this year it did so with a splash at its swanky Genesis House showroom. The star of the show was the Neolun concept, a sumptuous and sleek SUV that combines graceful curves with an interior drenched in luxury. Its name, Neolun, is a mashup of Greek and Latin words for new and moon, hinting at a design inspired by Korea's traditional moon-shaped ceramic vessels. This concept car encapsulates our age-old fascination with the moon and its ever-changing phases, aiming to offer a vehicle experience that elevates your journey beyond the mundane. Parked diagonally with its lights on, the Neolun's presence is unmistakable. Fender volume design showcases its flawless contours, with a minimalist approach that retains only the most essential elements. The seamless blend of panels and creases creates a striking silhouette that feels both futuristic and artisanal. Genesis's signature two-line lamps extend from the front to the rear, giving the car a distinct visual identity and reflecting a design philosophy that embraces infinite scalability and innovation. The absence of visible parting lines further enhances its sense of high-fashion craftsmanship. The Neolun's practical features are just as impressive as its aesthetics. It has a roof rack that stays hidden until needed, seamlessly integrating into the roofline. Genesis's iconic twin-line headlights and taillights merge smoothly into the body, with the headlights forming a triangular shape that echoes the sporty X series of concepts. The car's deep, midnight black and majestic blue colour scheme exudes a sense of mystique and sophistication. True to concept car style, the Neolun eschews traditional B-pillars in favour of coach doors, lending it an air of luxury and innovation. Genesis reveals that these unique doors have reached a level of development that makes their inclusion in production vehicles a real possibility. When you open the doors, electric side steps automatically lower to help you step in and out with ease. This is just one example of how Genesis is looking to redefine the car experience, aiming to create a vehicle that is as thoughtful and elegant as it is practical and efficient. The cabin is spacious, with just 2 rows and kingly captain's chairs for the second row. There is a unique heating system that has heating films on the dashboard, door trims, floor, seat backs, and console sides. This is meant to efficiently radiate heat throughout the car, instead of blowing directly out of vents in the dash. The sound system is also said to be advanced, with the tweeters, mid-range speakers, woofers, and subwoofers situated to create an immersive audio experience. Like in the GV60, there's a crystal sphere in the front compartment that rotates when the audio system is engaged. The front row seats can swivel, and a large screen lowers from the roof for the rear passengers. The cabin is upholstered in royal indigo cashmere and purple silk leather, paired with a real wood floor. Genesis makes it clear that their concept cars aren't just for show. They're a preview of what's coming to your driveway. This flagship SUV is gearing up for production, and you won't have to wait long to see it on the streets. While the specifics on performance, powertrain, and pricing are still shrouded in mystery, the excitement is building as we await further details on what the production model of this concept might entail. Stay tuned. We're expecting to uncover more about the Neolun's real-world potential before the year draws to a close. What's your opinion on this massive SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.